A big hello to all my special friends. Thank you for so much love and appreciation you gave us for the last story. And this is the reason we come back to you with yet another story. Now, this story is about a very, very special creature. Why did I say special? Because it's also one of our favorites. Because of its size. Have you guessed it till now? Yes, I'm talking about the elephant, our favorite. So today's story is about a very, very friendly elephant. And the name of the story is also The Friendly Elephant. Yes, so let's quickly jump into this story. So, deep down in the jungle, this elephant, who was very huge in size, was actually walking all day long, day and night. He was a very friendly elephant, but the sad part was that he didn't have too many friends. So, this made him actually want to make a lot of friends. And one fine morning, when he was walking, he met a monkey. This monkey was swinging up and down the trees. And this made the elephant smile. And he asked the monkey, Monkey, will you be my friend? The monkey giggled a little and he said, Have you seen how huge you are? I swing up and down the trees. Can you do that? If you do that, you're going to break all the trees around. Now, the elephant was a little embarrassed, but he understood that yes, because of his size, he couldn't swing up and down the trees like the monkey. So he moved a little. And as he was moving, he met a small rabbit staying in a small burrow. So he liked that too. So the elephant asked the rabbit, Rabbit, will you be my friend? The rabbit laughed aloud and he said, Have you seen your size? You are humongous. You can't even come in my burrow. And what are friends for if they can't visit each other's house? No, sorry, we can't be friends either. So this elephant started feeling bad about his size now. But he had no choice, so he moved on. The next he met in the jungle was a tiny frog, and this frog was sitting in a pond. So the elephant walked up there to drink water and asked the frog, Frog, will you be my friend? And this frog got scared and jumped inside the pond. And he looked out and came up and said, If you be my friend and you come in the pond, all the water in the pond will splash out. And where will I stay? Now, this elephant was getting very sad because everybody he met in the jungle was saying, You are huge, you are humongous, you're massive, and nobody was being friends with him. But the day was ending, and this elephant went back to his house. So the next morning, when he woke up, he heard a lot of noise in the jungle. He wondered what it was, and he got a little concerned and came out. And he saw all the animals in the jungle, big or small, running here and there, here and there. And he wanted to ask, Why is there such a ruckus? So he saw the bear and he stopped. And he told the bear, Tell me what happened in the jungle. So he said, You know what? The king of the jungle. Oh, do we know who the king of the jungle is? Yes, the lion. So he said, The king of the jungle is hungry and he's hunting for all the big and small animals and making them their meal. So I better run for my life too. So the bear ran away. So now this actually saddened the elephant and he wanted to help his friends even though nobody had made him. But he said, I will take this up with the lion. So he, with a very brave heart, walked up to the lion. And he told the lion, Lion, you should not be doing this. You should not be hunting all the animals just like that. So the lion, who was already angry, told him, "You better mind your business. I will hunt all the animals and eat them up." Now the elephant knew that the lion will not agree like this, and he got an idea. So he showed the lion all his power, and looking at the elephant's size, the lion got a little scared, though he didn't want to show it. But he did get a little scared, and he thought to himself that it was better that he runs away this time. And so, this way, all the animals in the jungle got saved because of the elephant's bravery. Now, when this tale started floating around in the jungle about the brave elephant going and confronting the lion, all the animals in the jungle were extremely happy, and they ran to the elephant and asked the elephant just one question. "Elephant, will you be our friend? You are just the right size to be our friend." Now, this made the elephant laugh, and he said, "Yes, why not?" So, thereafter, all the animals in the jungle became friends with each other and enjoyed their days. Now, this was my story for you today. And this story actually gives us a life lesson that we have friends of in all sizes, colors, and gender. And if we stop looking at them with any filter and just look at their specialities, because every individual, every creature, every being on this planet has a special, unique speciality. If we start looking at them with that, we'll really have a beautiful life. So, do let me know if you liked my story. Would love to hear from you. So, till then, have fun and take care. Bye bye.